Welcome to this Tuesday edition of Spotting MDW. Hey, yeah, yeah, to, I mean, yeah, 27th of July, 2021. Yeah, Bob, smash that subscribe button, like, share, and hit the notification bell. Let's get on over to the aviation action. Thanks for being here. And starting out with Southwest Airlines Flight 5618. Yeah, arriving in from OAK, Oakland, California, San Francisco area, City by the Bay. Next up is Southwest Airlines Flight 4461. Yeah, arriving in from SCA, SeaTac, Seattle Tacoma International Airport. Next up on the spotting, we have Southwest Airlines Flight 775 from San Diego International Airport. Yeah. Hey. What's that about? Oh, it's a plane, yeah, it's no airline. I mean, just like, yeah, NA to NA. It's no airport. Yeah, it's a private jet. Say hello to my little friend here. Yeah. Up next, we got Southwest Airlines Flight 3950. Yeah, from Burbank, California. Yeah, paparazzi special. Paparazzi city. And now we got Southwest Airlines Flight 5380. Non-stop service from ATL, the world's busiest airport. Atlanta's Hartsfield Jackson Manor International Airport. I always say. Hey, and up next we got Southwest Flight from San Antonio, Texas. Yeah, and I also can wait to be spotting at that airport. Yeah, right there at San Antonio International Airport. Yeah, going there or. And now we got Southwest Airlines Flight 2160 from SJC, San Jose, California, another City by the Bay flight. Yeah. We got another OAK flight, Southwest Airlines Flight 6886 from Oakland International Airport. Yeah. City by the Bay. Got Southwest Airlines Flight 2603 from CLE, Cleveland Hopkins International Airport in Cleveland, Ohio. Right. Southwest Airlines Flight Flight 4427 from Motor City, DTW, Detroit Metropolitan Wayne County Airport. Yeah, Detroit, Michigan. Yes, Cessna 560 Citation XL. Yeah. Alright, come on, where's he going? Where's he going? Oh, no, I missed him, yeah. No airport. And now I got a Leto Speedway special. Yeah, arriving in from Indianapolis International Airport. Yeah, Gulfstream G450 aircraft, yeah. Southwest Airlines Flight 3411 from DEN, Denver International Airport, Rocky Mountain Heights, Colorado. Can't believe sometimes why do I talk so silly? Yeah, we got Southwest Airlines Boeing 737-800 MAX. Yeah, driving in from PIT. Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Ah. All right. Right here. Yeah, I almost didn't got to catch him. But I didn't know that was the... And now over here I got Southwest Airlines flight 3818 from TPA, Tampa International Airport, yeah. Alright, yeah, you got a private owner driving in from ALO, Waterloo. Yeah. Yeah, Cessna yeah, 340A. Yeah. Never seen one of these before. Yeah, that's really awesome. Southwest Airlines flight 3876 from MSY, the Pelican City. Yeah, New Orleans. Got Southwest Airlines flight 3183. Yeah, from our nation's capital, DCA, Washington President Ronald Reagan National Airport. Southwest Airlines flight 2407, arriving in from RIC, Richmond, Virginia. Yeah, flight 5383, yeah, from MCO, Orlando International Airport. Yeah, Walt Disney World, Universal Orlando Resort. Yeah, Legoland, Florida. All those people coming right from over there. Oh, and a little bird. Yeah, right over there. Got Southwest coming right. Hey, it's Maryland One Special Livery, arriving from IAD, Washington Dallas International Airport, our nation's capital. Yeah, that's really cool to see this one. Lucky me, I got to catch it. Yeah. Oh, is this gonna take us concluding? That's gonna conclude this additional spotting. MDW, if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you like what you saw, smash the subscribe button, comment down below, like, share, and hit the notification bell. Yeah. And I'll see you again later today on another additional spotting. Yeah, MDW, the busted stamp. See you.